Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and this is one of our first videos of 2026, right? So I've been getting a lot of questions about this trading indicator that you see on the screen right now. This is the market scanner, okay? So the function of this trading indicator is to show us possible buy and sell signals, right? Markets which are going up or markets which are going down, right? So when you load this system onto your Metatrader 5 chart, it's going to look something like this, okay? You can add more uh, trading instruments. You can even just decrease them and maybe just have five or four, whatever the case may be, however you want to do it, okay? So basically, what information are we going to get from this indicator, right? So this indicator scans the entire markets that we place on it. Okay, so for this example, I just put some synthetic indices and some some the synthetic indices for MetaTrader 5. Okay, so what it does, guys, it scans and shows us which markets are good for particular trades, right? So for example, these dark green blocks right here, these are the potential buy signals that we can trade right now. So if we wanted to analyze the markets, this thing quickly tells us which markets are moving up and which markets are moving down. Okay, so these dark green ones right here, these are the ones that are currently moving. Okay, and then these light shaded green ones here, they are moving up but very slowly. Okay, and then if you look to this side, these dark red blocks right here, or these red instruments, these are the ones that are moving down. Okay, and then these lightly colored ones, these are the ones that aren't ready yet. Okay, so for example, if we wanted to start analyzing the markets, we just simply click on the top right there, and we'd start analyzing and checking for opportunities to enter for buy trades. Okay, so if you want, you can click on any button here, right? And then it's going to take you to the specific chart that you can trade. Okay, so just like that, guys. And another nice thing about this market scanner, guys, is that it can be combined with our other trading strategies, right? Some of the trading strategies that you've had before. So you can use this with the entry signal, the 2025 Metatrader 5 system. You can use it with the 3.0, right? However you want to do it. But it gives us very, very important information by singling out the markets which are currently moving so that we can quickly start trading. Okay. So anyways, guys, if you're interested in this trading scanner, right, it's sold separately. Okay. So if you want this trading scanner, the price is 100 USD or 1,500 Rand. It works on MetaTrader 5. We also have one for MT4. Okay, so if you're on MT4, we have this indicator for MT4, right? So just send us a DM, and then yeah, we'll see you in the DMs. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.